Okay. Here comes...
Hi, everybody. This is one of the wild pigeons I caught at the lumber mill. I call it Fraser. Fly and be free. I got two more. Okay. Fly and be free. Boy, is our cat watching it.
This is our kitty. There's Rudy. Rudy. He'll be out in a minute. He's catching another bird.
I actually have 6 pigeons, but only these 3 I turn loose. Fly and be free. They're my birdies.